Bob, your opinion. Go ahead.
Look, guys, this is about prosecutorial mathematics. The more you throw on with multiple jurisdictions and the more outcome there is, and you turn into a death penalty, ratchets up the exposure of the defendant. And when you're doing death penalty litigation, which I've done, the mantra is keep them alive for another day, another week, another hour, another minute. So what's happening here is they're adding that pressure. Now, here's the issue. I've said this from the beginning of this case, having been in the middle of interjurisdictional prosecutions. Yeah. Number one, the search and seizure issue, unforced error, giving the defense opportunity to take shots at the defense's, at the prosecution's case. Number two, the perp walk. A classic example of egos gone awry in law enforcement, and now you have made this guy a national hero because of it. And last is the tug of war that's going to go on in the egos between the federal and the state jurisdictions, where they're going to be fighting over who's prosecuting, when they're prosecuting, what evidence, who has access to the evidence. If they don't watch it, they're going to fall into a trap. Although ultimately, given the evidence, given the exposure between both jurisdictions, they're adding it all on, they're piling on, he's going down.
All right.
I may be the only person that's ever prosecuted a death penalty case on this panel, and I can tell you that I'm against the death penalty. And why? Because of ego and the things that the defense lawyer brought out in that discussion about how it's about hair and makeup. It's these issues that cause people to be, some people to be executed or sentenced to death and other people not. And that randomness bothers me. Last point I got to make here, guys, as lawyers, we have to agree. As a prosecutor, I would never allow my law enforcement officers to be speaking publicly about a case.
I agree with that.
All agree.
And there should be some type of
we have a duty as prosecutors. We have a duty as prosecutors not to try cases in the court of public opinion.
I agree with
and there
that.
should be a penalty for that. Those are extrajudicial statements that are inappropriate.